Now I'm going to introduce a brand new way for you to make a lot of money online simply by using Google Translate for free. To do that, you must follow my clear instructions in this video. You don't need any special knowledge or experience to do this, and the best part is that you can use it anywhere in the world. This method is perfect for you. The earning potential is insane, and you can repeat this process over and over again. So using today's technique, this is how much money you can make. If you translate 2 files using Google Translate, you can make between $100 and $150. If you translate 4 files, you can earn up to $450. If you translate 8 files, you can earn up to $700. Before we continue, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification button, so that you'll be informed every time I post a new video and may be the first to learn about and keep up with new ways to make money online. Also, remember to leave a comment below anytime you do. I'll show you how to use Google Translate to make a lot of money online in a moment, but you must first follow my directions by visiting this website, ladium.org. I'll teach you all the steps you need to take, and you can do it on your computer or on your phone. I'm going to leave the link to this website on the screen for the time being. Additionally, I'd want to teach you how to sign up, and I'll go over all the procedures and training in this video so you can follow along exactly as I did before you try it for yourself. So let me first explain how it works, and then I'll explain how to sign up and earn a free sign-up bonus or free money in a moment. Don't miss out on this opportunity because there is a lot of earning potential on this website, as you can see from the reward, and 5 offer dollars up to $3,000. But first and foremost, after you register for this website, you'll be able to browse through several projects similar to what I just shown. There are various projects, offers, and jobs that you may complete in order to earn US dollars. You can go to the Ladium website, search for a new project, submit it, and then begin working right away if you have cryptocurrency, PayPal, and a variety of other payment methods that you prefer in your account. The second step is to complete the project and then submit your work via the Ladium contract management system. I Want to Work is located on the ladium.org website. After clicking this button, you'll be taken to a page where you must enter your first name, last name, email address, login information, and password. This is step 3, which is what we all love because once your work has been reviewed and approved, your payment will be released immediately to your Lithium wallet without delays. Simply press the Proceed button after selecting the I'm not a robot checkbox. So once you complete that and sign up, you should be able to receive a free $1 sign-up bonus. However, you must first verify your email address, so check your mailbox and click the activation link to create your Ladium account. You should be able to see your free $1 after you sign up. Once you log into your account and click on Browse Projects, you should be able to see all of the different projects that you can join and select from. The good news about this is that you don't need any skill or experience to do it. All you have to do is go ahead and concentrate on the translation and language. When you get out here, click on this translation and language on the top right corner over here, and you'll see that there are several options. I'll give you a few examples of jobs you can complete online in order to make money. For instance, you might be given Hindi articles, as you can see here, which you must translate into English in order to earn $75. So once you've finished your tasks, they'll pay you in cryptocurrency like Bitcoin or other currencies listed here. You can also choose to be paid in US dollars by bank transfer, PayPal, Payoneer, or other payment methods. As you can see, this is one of the articles you can receive, and it's in Hindi. I understand that many of you are coming from all over the world and may not be able to translate different languages, but the thing is I'm only going to show you in this video how you can use the power of Google Translate to do all the work for you and automate the process. If you know anything about Hindi, or if you are from India, leave a comment below and let me know, because you can basically translate these Hindi articles into English and make money online. But you're going to follow my instructions as you can see here. First, I want you to visit Google Translate. As you can see here, you can choose a language to copy and paste right here on the left, and the language will be instantly translated into English. However, this is really small. To make it larger, all I have to do is go to this address, translate.google.com. When you click this link, you'll be taken to this page, which is easier to work on because it's bigger. Start by pasting the articles over here on the left, and when you get a job, you'll be able to see where you can copy everything for it. And I'm going to copy this right here, so all I have to do is go on and right-click and copy this one, and then I'm going to come back here to Google Translate, and then I'm going to paste everything right here. So as you can see here, Hindi is recognized, which means that Google Translate will determine that this is a Hindi language and will perform the translation into English, as you can see here. So what I want to do is copy everything to achieve that, and choose New, then choose Document, so I can add my English translation into this new document right away. I'm going to repeat the process. I'm going to come here and highlight the next section that you can translate the text as I just demonstrated, and we can then submit it to various jobs and offers to get paid, though they may pay you slightly less for Hindi. But if you're fortunate, you might be hired to translate content into Spanish, German, or even Japanese, and they'll pay you up to $100 for each job. All you have to do is repeat the process. In order to have this software or application do all of the work for you, simply go to google.com and enter in Google Translator. If you enjoy this kind of information, check out my other videos. Before you leave, make sure to click the subscribe button. Give us a giant thumbs up and press the notification bell.